Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different unboxings. We do a little bit of everything here. We do product hauls, product reviews, and definitely subscription box unboxings. So if you enjoy that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you. I do want to remind you guys, we do have an active giveaway going on right now. It is our Glamour Jewelry Box giveaway. It will be linked down below in the description. It does end on December 10th, so you do still have time to enter if you have not already. But I'm excited because today's video, as you can see, is a limited edition Black Friday, how appropriate, GlossyBox, and it is like packed. The lid is barely staying on. So I am super excited to get in here and see what all is in the box. I do remember one little sneak peek just because it's one of my absolute all-time favorite products, so I can't wait to get in here and see it. Thank you so very much to GlossyBox for sending this to me for review. I do appreciate it. And guys, I do have a link I will put down below. I don't get anything from it. It's just for y'all to save you $5 off your first box. You get your first subscription box for only $16, and it will also save you $5 off this limited edition Black Friday box that will make it only $20 for this box. And y'all, trust me when I tell you, before we even get in here, that $20 for this box is a steal. So let's open her up. So we have our little pamphlet here, limited edition Black Friday. We'll go over all the products. I love how even the tissue and everything matches like the box perfectly. Beautiful. GlossyBox never fails on their presentation. Never. It's always fantastic. So let's open the ribbon and the paper, and we are going to get started. So I believe, let's see. Yes, there are 11 products in this 11 products in the box, which is phenomenal. That makes it less than $2 a product. All right, so the first thing I see here is says CBD Effects, and let's see, this is a soothing bath bomb with 200 milligrams of CBD, and they say this is $7.99, and you could have gotten soothing or recharge. I got soothing, which is lavender. CBD infused bath bombs are great way to decompress, filled with natural ingredients and essential oils. Your joints, muscles, and skin will thank you later. So, awesome. And then I am very excited about this. This is a full-size product, and it is from Collab. This is Dry Shampoo, so I'm so excited. This is $5.49, original dry shampoo. Instantly refresh your roots and lose that greasy feeling with this dry shampoo. Its ability to absorb oil without leaving a white residue makes it the perfect quick fix. So, 2 full-size products. And then here from Basic Beauty, another full-size item. It's a pair of tweezers. This is valued at $6. Expertly shape your brows with these classic slant tip tweezers. The hand-filed tips grab the hair every time for minimal effort and zero discomfort. And it says to tweeze after showering because the hairs will slip out more easily. So, I wonder if they are... They are pink, just like the box. So we can always use tweezers. All right. We are just gonna keep on moving, and here is my item, y'all. Yay! She's small, but she's mighty. This is a deluxe mini of the Arizona perfume. Y'all, this smells phenomenal. If you have not tried this, I would almost say get the box just for this. It is fantastic. The full size is 50 mLs. That's valued at $100. We have 5 mLs right here. So we have a tenth of that. So this right here is worth $10. Blooming with a white cactus accord and a unique mineral signature, this fragrance will give you a feeling of adventure, beauty, and mystery. And all of that is so very true. You can't help but to feel beautiful when you smell as fabulous as this makes you smell. Like, you just can't. I can smell it already. Y'all, it is, oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, okay. All right, and then we actually have one item, but it's technically two. So we have the Provence Rosé inspired deep conditioner for color, protect, and revitalize. And then the Brut Rosé inspired color, protect, and hydrate deep conditioner. So you have both of them here, and they're $3.99 each, so two actually. So this makes 12 full products, and this definitely two, if not three, uses out of each one of these. So that's a good number of deep conditioning treatments. So they say packed with wine, rose, and watermelon extracts, these deep conditioners will leave your hair feeling softer and stronger while protecting your color. So, love it. I've used these before and they work really well. All right. And then from Ciate London, we have a full-size product worth $19, Stamp and Drag Liner Duo. This double-ended eyeliner pen features a wing stamped and a pointed tip for the perfect winged eyeliner. So I have seen this before. I'm not going to open it just because I will probably be putting this in a future giveaway, but it is a liquid liner. So on one side you have your standard liquid liner felt tip. The other literally has a little stamp to start your wing and supposed to help you to learn how to do a winged eyeline look. So there is that guy. And then it's showing a hydrator here from Kiehl's. I don't have that, but I do have something not listed, so I'm assuming that maybe they swapped it out. And that is this Perlis Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb sample, which I actually am kind of happier to see because I love this. And it smells so good, and I love the Aqua Bomb because it's so light but yet so moisturizing. So I'm okay with that. All right, and then we have got, oh, this is valued at $28, full size, Reface Me Vitamin C Serum. Packed with antioxidant protection, this oil-based serum focuses on removing free radicals in sun-exposed skin. Its vegan hyaluronic acid and botanical ingredients plump and protect the skin while fading discoloration. Awesome. Fantastic. I'm surprised to see a vitamin C serum, though, not in a little bit darker bottle. And then we have a deluxe mini. This is from Rovectin Activating Treatment Lotion. It says the full size is $29. I am not sure how much this little guy would be. Full size is 180 mLs. Does it even tell me? This is 15 mLs. So like $275. Vegan Anti-Aging Barrier Repair Complex is a powerful toner and essence that moisturizes the skin while evening texture and neutralizing free radicals. Dead skin cells are exfoliated to restore your skin's brightness. So I'm excited to see that. All right, and then let's see. I think we're still not done. This is from Dr. Babor. Hydro RX 3D Hydrogel Lip Pad. So it's a lip mask, cooling hydrogel lip pad, hyaluronic acid for plumped, youthful looking lips. It looks like it's a set of 4. $29. The latest innovation from Dr. Babor was developed to care for the sensitive skin of the lips. Its cooling effect and hyaluronic acid provides plumping hydration. So you're going to wear it for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm excited to give that a try. I've never tried a cooling lip mask. So here's a tip though with lip masks. Sometimes they're a little too big. Cut them in half and roll back and close the package, you can get 2 uses out of 1 mask. All right, so now we are down to our final item. And this is from Sets Beauty. It says Blot Plus Translucent Powder. The full size would be 15 sheets at $9.99. And we got 3. This is interesting. So this would be like, what, $3.33? Because we got, no, we got 3, so this would be a 5th. So this is about $2. Set and reset your makeup throughout the day without adding weight or texture using these easy on-the-go blotting pads. Interesting, but it's neat that they have the translucent powder with them. All right, apparently it's a new product. Absorbs 7 times the oil. Available at CVS. So that was the Black Friday limited edition GlossyBox. Like I said, if you sign up or you are already a member of GlossyBox, the monthly subscription, you can get $5 off with this box right here and get it for only $20. You get all this for $20. I'll add everything up, including the like $2 value here for this item, and give you an idea of what this box is worth. Definitely worth $20. I can tell you that without even adding it up. So let me know your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. Do you think you're going to pick this up? Do you think you may subscribe to GlossyBox? Let me know. Like I said, the link will be down below. I love hearing from you guys. A special thank you to my channel members. Your support means so very much to me, and I do greatly appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you who take the time to watch my videos and comment and like. It means so much, and I will forever be grateful. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.